At Caddy Storage, we specialise in government fleet vehicle fit-outs. Come and check out these Toyota Hiaces that we recently did as general purpose maintenance vehicles. The brief was simple. They needed to be hard-wearing, versatile, most importantly cost-effective. This included features like our CPS part straws. We've got hygiene and safety covered. Our dual heavy-duty DBD roller drawers, tested thousands of times for durability. Shelving with multiple sizes of plastic bins, our small storage drawers, and in this particular vehicle, we've filled in the side step with a lockable door, giving you additional storage space and also increases your floor space. Cable shelf to make carrying those electrical cables a breeze. ADR approved cargo barrier, tested in-house, tally-ho! And for added comfort, we've added an air curtain and an optional lockable door for our shelving kit so you can keep those special items locked away. And a full technician's ladder slide and roof rack setup in a super stylish black. If you're looking for a vehicle storage solution for your fleet, then look no further than Caddy.